Hello and welcome to the Sacred Gates podcast. My name is Illura and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you that's all about creating more confidence and how we create more confidence in ourselves. A recipe for confidence includes these ingredients. You need to add a lot of familiarity. Familiarity comes from spending conscious time with yourself and whatever it is that you are learning. So just say you're wanting to develop a skill. Add lots of familiarity. Spend lots of time observing, exploring, experiencing. And familiarity, this ingredient, will turn into ability, whatever it is that you are getting an ability in. Having ability naturally makes you trust yourself more because you just truly, undeniably have this ability now, and it comes from the time that you spent building familiarity. So you now have more trust in yourself. There you go. That's kind of like the recipe for this wonderful cake. Because once you have given time, familiarity, building ability, gives yourself more trust. And when you have more trust in yourself, you have more confidence in yourself and you can enjoy that confidence and you can enjoy that ability. So that is the recipe for confidence. Bye-bye for now.